Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Chevy Lumina, I think it is. I purchased this one at a auction a little while back, and I'm just now getting around to opening her up. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's the Tide number 5 car of Ricky Rudd. Here it is. It's a Monogram 1/24 scale Chevy Lumina. I believe the yeah, it's been, well, here's the side. Still has the plastic on the top. They've cut off the bottom. The bottom's been cut off because they opened the box to take pictures of the contents at the auction. So there it is. 1/24 number 5 Chevy Tide Lumina. Skill level 3, 99 pieces. And this is kit number 2440. I'm looking for a date on there. Here we go, 1993 this kit came out. We'll go ahead and get right into it. Hope everyone's having a great day. A little overcast and gloomy here. A little bit of rain. How we lined up there? Pretty good? Yeah, we're good. Alright, off the top we have some glass, front and rear, and 2 quarter windows for the back, and looks like one side, I guess, because the other side would be the driver, and you put a net up in there. Okay. And for tires, we have no name tires. Oh, on the back side here we have Goodyear Eagles. That's all it says. We'll clean them up real nice, scuff them up real good, make them look real nice. And here we have a bag of molded in white parts. One big bag of that. I'll go ahead and cut it open. Right off the top we have the body. Very nice thickness. Kind of simple, you know, being a stock car, not a lot of detail. And don't even have the lines for the doors or nothing on there. And this body reminds me, now that the front end of it reminds me of the Chevy Beretta, which came out in like 88 or 89, maybe even 87, I don't remember exactly. But it had this very same kind of slant to it. Got a big old chunk of plastic here comes out once we're ready to start building the kit. Package tray is just looks like would be a chunk of aluminum. Wow. Alrighty. Pretty neat. Here's the chassis. Very nice thickness. Minimal detail, which is to be expected for this type of kit. There you go. Pretty cool there. And this here looks like the passenger side roll cage and little quarter fender supports and that. Pretty neat. Oh, goes all the way down into the engine where the shock towers would be. The like this upper part of the subframe. Can't think of what the heck that's called at the moment, sorry. Here's a piece of exhaust. Here's the driver's side with the netting already molded in. You could cut that out and put a little piece of cloth in there with some screen or something to make it more realistic. Some more exhaust and a little thing for your wind, air movement. And here's the front bottom chin, I guess that would be. The rear bumper. Some miscellaneous roll cage parts, some more exhaust. And here we have oil pan with a starter attached. The distributor with wires, that's cool. Engine block. 2 halves with the transmission, coil spring, steering wheel, small little fan, fan belt and pulley system. Looks like a fire extinguisher. Another little pulley and fan. Rear end. The dash. Excuse me, that's a really cool shot of the dash. Steering gearbox. Front springs, rear springs. The pedals. Clutch and brake and fuel pedal. Front of the carrier for your rear end. Shifter. Looks like where the water pump would go. Carburetor. Kind of nice. Nice detail. A lot more than I thought it would be. And here's the hood. Very nice. Nothing to write home about back here other than a cool looking little diamond shaped thing. Here's the driver's seat. The backs of the rear, I'm sorry, the backs of the tires. And this here looks like the panel that goes between the trunk area and the interior compartment. I can't think of what the name of that would be. This here is your firewall. A couple little radiator hoses, coolant hoses. This looks like the top of a fuel cell, or the bottom of it. I'm not sure on that. And then some chrome. Let's see what we have here for chrome. A lot more than I thought there would be too. Wow, these wheels have a like a frosted look to them. It's not shiny chrome. It's really either poorly done or it's hazed over, like maybe just from age or where it was sitting. Here's some big round tubey thing. I don't know what the heck that is. Intake manifold, which looks very realistic. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. That looks like an actual aluminum intake. There's some valve covers, the heads, spoiler for the rear, and on the box it's in a black, but because of the way the picture was taken, it may have been chrome and just flashed over. But the wheels are the same, though. The wheels are the same black, so they obviously blacked those out. Air cleaner, little grill for the front, which is also blacked out there. Radiator and a little fan shroud. Here's the carburetor here. Alternator. Some little doohickeys here. Don't know what those are. 2, 4, 6 of those. And this, I think, is the little piece that goes here in the front, but maybe not. Could be, well, it wouldn't be a rear third light, brake light, so I don't know what that is. This is probably that piece for the front there. I didn't even see that. Not sure what that one is yet. Alrighty. And then inside we have Monogram, build a vehicle made for adventure. Cool. Get yourself a free catalog, guys. $2 in cash. And 2 UPC codes from Monogram kit models. That's those right there. Wow, that's neat. From what did I say, 1993? Be interesting to see what that catalog entailed. And then here we have decals. Very nice. Very nice. Nice big old hood decal there for Tide. America's favorite, apparently. Some sponsor decals. This one here goes along the trunk. Very cool. This is a nice decal sheet. Goodyear Eagles. Very cool. Oh, it looks like you can actually put these on the actual tire. That's the way they have it on the box there. Right there. That's pretty cool. Never thought about putting decals on tires. Alright. That's that. And then the instrucciones. Let's see. 24 scale, we said all that. 1993, we said that. Some basic info. Not much write-up whatsoever on the actual engine. I'm sorry, the actual vehicle. Here's the engine. Decent instruction sheet. 4 folds. Okay. Here's that section 1 and 2. Yep. Here's 3 and 4. We'll go right across the top. Your steering gearbox is number 8. Good tips on what to paint, what colors to make it like the box. Okay, so that goes inside, so it's the upper part of the fuel cell, but it's going to be completely covered because the trunk doesn't open. Okay, whatever. Oh, no, I'm sorry, guys. Wait. No, yeah, it's inside. For a minute there, I thought that picture was upside down and this was the bottom of the vehicle. Nope. Frame bracing, putting the engine in. Very nice. Oh, that part that I thought was a separator between the interior and the trunk is actually the upper part of the dashboard. Wow. Alright. Yeah, it's been a while since I built a stock car, a racing stock car. I've built many stock cars, but this is a stock car. There's a big round thing, is a oil tank sump. That's what that is. Alright. Put that in. Cooler cover, okay. Coolant pump, and they want you to paint that aluminum color, okay. There we go. Haven't seen the wheels yet. Where are they at? Oh, here they are. Wow, a lot of steps in this one. 40 steps in this one. There's that thing. Okay. Sorry if I'm going a little fast for you guys, but you know, you can just pause it. Here, step 33 before we put the tires together. Wow, that's something, eh? Talking about not putting glue on the wheels, make them roll, I suppose. There's your front end. Yep, that one piece does go up in there. Okay. Hood pins, very cool. Nice little detail I didn't see in there. Nice. Putting your glass all in. It looks like it all loads from the front. That's kind of different. And then 41 is the hood. And then step 42 would be paint your shaded areas day glow red before applying your decals. And a lot of steps in this one, guys. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice looking kit here. I'm not sure when I'll get around to building this one, but it'll be down the road somewhere. I want to thank you all so very much for 500 plus subscribers. I certainly appreciate that. And I'd like to say come on back and enjoy the videos. I hope you're enjoying them. I am having an absolute blast doing this kind of thing. We'll get around to doing some more build videos here real quick. And some more unboxings. Some more on the way. Hope you all have a great day. And keep on modeling. Model Car Guy Rich out.